Okay, so the question today is 2016 ordinary level and it's question 5. So it's the graphics show the design of a logo for a rugby tournament. Draw the given logo and then locate the points A, A1, A2, A3 and point P is shown. Find the image of the given logo under the following transformations. Okay, transformation geometry. From point A to A1 by translation. Okay, highlight. From A1 to A2 by axial symmetry. And A2 to A3 by central symmetry. Okay, so look at the information we're given. Look at the logo first of all. Okay, so it's a 50 mil square. The radius at this point of the compass will be going here. So I'm going to label up B. So from B, C, D, and E. Okay, so the point of the compass will go on B and onto A for that arc. It'll be going on D and onto A for that arc. And to get E here, they tell us to come out from D 25, describe it off. Then to get this arc here, we're going to point of the compass on B, back on D, and around there like so. Okay, and then for the translations themselves, the transformations, it's radius 70 is our circle. And we go through the center point with a horizontal line and a vertical line. When them two lines intersect the circle, that gives us A, A1, A2 and A3. To get point P, they're telling us to join A2 to A3 and come up 35, okay? And mark it off there and that'll give us point P. Okay, so let's have a go at that. Right, so I'm going to set my compass first of all at 70. I'm going to get all my points. Center the page and okay. So I'm going to work my transformations around my 70 mil circle. So, center point, okay, horizontal line through it, vertical line through it. Okay, so we know that we have A, A1, A2 and A3. We can mark them off. I'm going to mark them off in red here. So A, and it's via translation to A1. And then it's axial symmetry to A2. And then central symmetry to A3. Okay, you get to your point P. So you join A2 to A3. Okay. Set square on 0. I'm going to slide it over until 35. It's and intersects the line. Okay, just double check that. And it's 35. So this is point P. Okay, now for the logo. The 50 mil square, as I said, to symbolise the rugby ball there, so we have our radiuses revolving that. Okay. So we have, I've cut one out here, just as an example. Okay. So that is our logo. And the first one is translation, basically down here like so onto A1. Okay, axial symmetry is the mirror image of this. So A is now going to be flipped over onto A2. Okay, so that is the image we should have. And then for central symmetry, where A goes down onto A3. Let's flip it around like so. Okay, so there are the transformations we need to get. So let's draw our logo first of all. Okay. So it's on 50 mil square. Okay, setting the compass. Start labeling them. And I'm going to label this B, C, D, and I have to come out 25 for E. E. Okay. Point of the compass goes on B, and it goes to A, and C. Okay, where's the arc? Okay, it goes on to D, to A, goes from B, up to E. Finish it off with that. Okay, so that is our logo. We now want to translate it from here down to, from point A and A. From here down to here. Okay, we'll do that. We'll use the sliding circular method just because it's not hot every day, it's 45 degrees, but A to A1. Okay. Translate B. These lines are all parallel to each other now. C and A should be on the same line. E and D. Okay, so for translating, we get the distance between A and A1. Okay, put it onto B. We'll label these as I go along now. That's B1. Compass doesn't move, same distance. C1. D1. And let's go for E. E1. Okay. So I'll go here like so. A goes to B. B goes to C. C goes to D. D goes back to A. Okay. We need to get our arcs again. So point the compass on B. And over to A. Weeds in it. To C. Okay, we do E is right over here. Swing it over. And we go from D to A. Okay, so that is our transformation via translation. Okay, I'll just move it down here. Now, so we're going for axial symmetry. So good. The line from A to A3 is our line of axis. So it's flipped over. A now goes to A2. And we're going to swing all our points from our line of axis. Okay, so this is a handy one because it's 90 degrees, so we'll bring up that, we'll bring up B1 and C1. We'll bring up E1. Okay, and A1 and D1 should be along this line. We already have the two. So let's find B2. Okay, point of the compass stays along the line of axis. Set it on B1. So once again, a label as a go. Don't get confused. So that's now B2. Okay, and to C1. Rotate. Now C2. Okay, and we need this other column square. D1 is now D2. Okay, D2 is the last one we need to get. D2. Perfect. D2. Okay, so I can draw the outside of the logo again. So A goes to B, which is now B2. B2 goes to C2. C2 goes to D2. And A and D2, D2. Okay. So we can relate back to our first logo. How do we get the arcs? Okay, so we put the point of the compass on B, put the lead on A. So let's go to B2. Put it on A2. Okay, and let's swing it around. Compass now a bit wonky there, isn't it? Apologies about that. I'll do that one again. Compass just moved a bit. Okay. It's very important to tighten up your legs. That sometimes happens. So B2 to A. Okay, so B2 also, or B also went to E. So we can do that here. B2 goes to E2. Swing your arc, and then we went from D to now D2, and then later went on to A, C. So now that is our logo in axial symmetry. Okay, last one, central symmetry. Okay, so we're all going through the points of P. A2 is already gone through, and it's now A3. So let's get B3. Okay, everything goes through P. B2 goes through 3, or through P. Okay, once again there's going to be a lot of lines here, so I'll leave it straight away. Point the compass on P. Okay, with central symmetry, point the compass always goes on the central point, which is now called P. Okay, we need to extend that a small bit. Okay, so this is now B3. Okay, C3. C now goes through P. Okay, point the compass on P. C2 is now C3. Okay, so now we need D3. Okay, D goes through point P. Points the compass on P. Okay, that is D3, and we need E3. Okay, E, and it goes through P. Okay, point the compass on P. E2. Swing it over here. Cut this here. E3. So let's make our square first of all. A goes to B. B goes to C. Okay, you can see the relevance here now of labeling. Makes life very easy. D goes to C and D goes to. Okay, so now we're just missing our arcs. We can fit in. So once again, we started on back here, the point of the compass on B, and it went to A to C. Okay, let's do that. On B, on A, and it goes to C. Okay, on D, Okay, back on to B. Okay, so we had translation. Translation. We had axial symmetry. And we had central symmetry. That is question 5, 2016 ordinary level finished.